Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel GSM Tricks Updated. Today we are going to show you how you can repair a Samsung Galaxy A23 that has problem of speaker. In this video you will learn how you can repair it without any problem. If you are a hardware technician, you are invited to watch this full video. Watch it until the end, then you will learn, you will know how you can repair it yourself. So let me show you what is the problem. Let me check if the speaker is working or not. Yeah, I'm checking it. Let me go in settings and check if the ringtone is ringing, but unfortunately it is not ringing. There is no sound. No sound at all. I'm checking. There is no sound. See? There is no sound anymore. Yeah, see? I'm adjusting the volume, but it is still no sound. No sound. Yeah. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Now it's time to check and repair this problem of sound. Be careful, please be careful. Let me check if there is no any damage on the motherboard. Oh, let me check on the schematic. These are ways of speaker. This is the sound IC. Yeah, there are ways from it to other components. Here is the VPH. Yeah. Okay, and there is speaker out ways. We are going to check every way here in this area around the audio IC. We are going to check if there is any damage around the audio IC. Yeah, here I put the we set our multimeter in beeping mode, so we are going to check the VPH power, the VPH way. Yeah, on this coil there is no continuity. It means that this coil has been damaged. When the technician was moving the shield, the VPH way gets damaged. Okay, now let me check the speaker. Okay, I'm checking the speaker. Okay, the speaker is good. Yeah. Now time to check the flex cable. from the subboard to the flex cable. Let me check it. I'm checking the speaker ways from the subboard to the flex cable. Speaker ways are good, are working. There is no matter, there is no problem here. So let me connect the flex cable to the motherboard and check it. If there is no ways cut it between the subboard and the motherboard, I'm going to check if the continuity is still there. Yeah, okay. The speaker out ways are okay. See, there is no problem here. Let's continue. Check. Now we realize that the only problem is on the coil, the big coil. So to solve that problem, we are going to make a jump so that the continuity will be there. Now there is no connection between the coil and the capacitor, the two capacitors. Yes, the VPH way is not working because there is no connection between that coil and those capacitors. Okay, now let's make a jump. We jump the coil. Yes, the way, the VPH way. Now we are jumping, we are making a jump so that the continuity will come back. After making the jump, we have to check if the problem is solved or not. Okay. Wait for a while. Okay, the phone is powered on. It's time to check if the problem is solved or not. But I hope the problem is successfully solved. Yeah, let's check. Let me check. Yes, let me check if the problem is solved or not. I thought I know is that the problem solved. Okay, wow, the problem is solved. Yes. Okay, this solution is very easy and very good. Yeah, okay, the sound came back. Yeah. This is from GSM Tricks Updated. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel GSM Tricks if you are not subscribed. There we will learn many things, more things about mobile phone repair. Okay, like, follow, share, and comment. Okay, the solution is 100% working. The only one jump, yeah, this problem is solved. Thank you for watching this video, and I welcome back again to our next video. We still preparing many videos about mobile phone repair for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.